Hey YouTube fam, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. I hope you stick around. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make this Glam candle holder. These are the supplies that you'll be using, minus the AA batteries. You will be needing AAA batteries. The very first thing I'm going to do is take my round foam and I'm going to put a generous amount of hot glue and then put my mirror on top of it. Then I'm going to take my bling wrap and cut just enough to go around the LED light, and as you can see, I don't put it all over. I just put it on one row, skip a few, and then on another row and go like that. It makes it a lot faster. So I'm just going to go all around the LED light. Next, I'll be taking my candle holder and just putting a generous amount of hot glue again and pressing it onto the foam. I am not using any E6000 glue like usual just because the baby has been around and I don't want the fumes to be in her room too much. I'm going to take these silver picks. As you can see, there's two sides to them. So one side has that little like divot and then the other one's pretty smooth. So I'm going to make sure that the side with the divot goes towards the inside of the candle holder. And again, I'm going to take enough bling wrap to go around the foam, and I'm just going to take my hot glue and start gluing and bringing it all around. As you can see, this is the bling wrap that only has the 3 rows. There's some that has, like, I think it's either 4 or 5 rows. It's a lot wider, but I didn't have any of that right now. So what I'm going to do after this is just basically cut one row off of the bling wrap and then glue it around and on top of the other one, if that makes sense. Now I'm just going to start gluing my picks onto the bling wrap that's around the foam. I'm going to tell you that I had started gluing the picks onto the foam and then I was going to wrap it with a bling wrap. I'm not sure why I decided to change my mind. I was actually kind of rushing through this because Milani was crying, of course, but I would actually recommend to glue it onto the foam beforehand. So as you heard, she was crying in the background, so I started rushing through this and gluing 2 at a time. You are going to need at least 3 packages of these picks if you want to make 2 of these. Each package has 36 and I think I used 51 on each of the candle holders. Now here is the finishing touch on this candle holder. I took another layer of that bling wrap and just started gluing it all around the top of the picks. And because I was rushing, I didn't realize that they were actually not aligned all the way. Like at the bottom, if you can see, some are higher than the others. I started out okay, but then again, little Milani wanted mommy, so I just started rushing. So you guys make sure that when you do it to fit your style and just take your time on it and it'll come out fabulous. Alright guys, so this is it. Unfortunately, I did not have enough time to make the second one, so this is the final result for now. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to learn how to make this mirror tray, make sure to check out the link that I'm going to put above. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, leave any comments down below, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!